Now, before we get onto memory training, I need you to do 3 things for me. With that paper and pen, which I hope you grabbed when I told you to, I need you to write down just 3 goals, 3 measurable goals by the end of this course that you want to achieve. Whether that's read 400 words per minute, or I want to at least treble my reading speed, or increase my comprehension by 70%, or by the end of the course, I want to finish the book on my bookshelf. Whatever your goal is, keep it personable, but make sure you write it down. There's a fantastic science in actually writing things and bringing it to actualization and speaking it into the world. Next, your motivation. Write down 3 things that are motivating you to even enroll in this course and why you want to become a speed reader. Because like I said in the last video, you will be faced with failure and frustration. And if you don't have that constant memory of why you're doing this, you will struggle. So having that to fall back on will help you. Are you motivated to get that first degree honours in your degree? Or are you motivated to save more time at work? Make sure you write this down. And finally, your future self. What will it actually be like to be a speed reader? I want you to write a short sentence of the feelings, the thoughts, and actually what you'll do once you are a speed reader. Picture that, write it down, keep it to yourself, show your family, but the important thing is you write it down.